Greetings, fellow beach lovers. It's your girl, Angelina, back with another thrilling escapade on the sands of paradise. Today, I'm standing on a beach that will leave you absolutely spellbound. Get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. As I step onto the velvety sand, I can feel the warmth embracing my feet, as if the beach itself is giving me a comforting hug. The sun shines brightly overhead, casting a golden glow on the shimmering waves that extend into the horizon. This beach is a true natural wonder. With its pristine shoreline, it offers a canvas of serenity and tranquility. The gentle rhythm of the waves creates a symphony of peace, inviting you to relax, unwind, and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Take a moment to breathe in the salty ocean breeze and soak in the breathtaking beauty that surrounds you. The beach is nestled between majestic cliffs, standing tall like ancient sentinels guarding this hidden gem. It's a sight that will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. But the magic doesn't end there. The underwater world is a treasure trove of wonders. Grab your snorkeling gear and dive into an enchanting realm teeming with vibrant coral reefs and an array of colorful marine life. It's like swimming in an underwater kaleidoscope, a feast for the senses. As you explore the beach, you'll come across hidden coves and secret nooks that offer seclusion and solitude. It's the perfect place to indulge in a good book, have a picnic with loved ones, or simply take a moment to reconnect with nature. This beach is a sanctuary for those seeking peace and introspection. Now, my dear viewers, if you're as captivated by this beach as I am, I invite you to hit that subscribe button below. Join me on my future beach expeditions as we uncover more breathtaking destinations together. And if you enjoyed this video, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow beach enthusiasts.